Unveiling the Sheen, Understanding Gold-Plated. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in different contexts. Gold-plated. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just curious about English phrases, this video will shed light on what gold-plated means, how to use it, and some interesting examples. So, let's get started and explore the world of gold-plated. Gold-plated is a term that's often used in a literal sense. It refers to a thin layer of gold that has been applied to the surface of another metal. This is done for various reasons, including aesthetics, corrosion resistance, and to give an item a more valuable appearance. For instance, you might find jewelry, watches, or even decorative items that are gold-plated. It's important to understand that gold-plated items are not solid gold. They only have a very thin layer of gold on top. Interestingly, gold-plated is also used figuratively in English. When used in this way, it implies something that looks valuable or high quality on the outside, but may not be so in reality. It can suggest superficiality or the idea of something being only good in appearance but not in substance. For example, if someone says, "Their promises are just gold-plated," it means the promises seem very attractive or convincing but may lack real value or honesty. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use gold-plated in both its literal and figurative senses. Literal: she received a beautiful gold-plated necklace for her birthday. Figurative: the company's gold-plated guarantees turned out to be empty promises. These sentences help illustrate the use of gold-plated in different contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase gold-plated and how it's used in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words but also the ideas and nuances they convey. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to practice using gold-plated in your conversations or writings. Until our next lesson, happy learning, and see you soon.